Over the summer, there's a stillness here on campus. It's peaceful, tranquil, beautiful. But sometime around the end of August, every single year, we start to feel the change. One by one, you all return to this place you call home. Laughter replaces the whisper of the wind. Cheers fill Taylor Field, and it chills us just as much as the fall air. The tranquility is replaced by hustle and excitement. Stillness is replaced by you. Lakeland is always beautiful, but it's so much more so when you are all here. We look forward to this time of year more than anything in the world. And tomorrow, we kick off one of our best years yet. We've been waiting all summer to say this, Muskies. Welcome home.